So the other day when I went to Aldi, there was a woman at Aldi and she said to me, have you ever been to Fiddlehead Market? And I was like, no, what's that? And she said, it's a place in Somersworth, which is in New Hampshire, over the border, just like Aldi is. And they have really good prices on fresh produce. And they put things like on their Facebook page as far as like what's a really good deal that week or whenever. And so I said, oh no. So I checked it out and I spoke to a couple other homeschool people and they said, yeah, we love that place. So I'm going to share with you, we went there today and I'm going to share with you what I got, how I made a mistake, and okay, there's remains of what was going on there. So here's what I got. It was $15 for a flat of strawberries, and that is 6 of these 6 packs of strawberries. And I am just going to put these on a tray and freeze those. I got a bunch of, did I just say strawberries? Blackberries. So that was $15 for that. The flat of strawberries, which was 2, 4, 6, yes. Okay. So it was 8 strawberries, was $12. So I think what I'm going to do with the rest of these, we did this one and we let the kids have chocolate and strawberries for snack tonight. So that was fun. I think what I'm going to do is cut the tops off these, and then I have some in the freezer already. So I think I'm going to take these and put some of these in a bowl in the fridge with just a tidbit of sugar. And I think that the kids will like those for snacks for the next couple of days. The reason that I'll put just a tidbit of sugar in it is just to keep them fresh and not from rotting, because I think they're like day old. And I did check these when I was like looking. I dumped them upside down so I could see the bottoms to make sure there was no mold. Some stuff did have mold there. Okay, so then we got these cherry tomatoes. These were only 50 cents. So I got 2 of those, which I could have got more, but I can't remember who actually likes these and who doesn't. So I got 2 of those, and then I got 2 bags of oranges. The oranges were $1.99 for a bag, which looks to be about 3 pounds. And then there was no price. This is my mistake. There was no price on these, but they were right next to the bags of oranges. So I was thinking, oh, these are probably the same prices as the bags of oranges. Was I wrong? But I didn't realize it till I was already out the store. And then I was like, I don't want to go back. I probably could have gone back. I felt weird about it. Anyway, I'm one of those people, I feel weird about that type of stuff. Anyway, so I bought all these little things and they were $6.99. Could have saved myself a boatload of money not doing that. So I got 4 bags of the $6.99 ones. I think I spent like $27 on just those. So I could have saved $27 just not by getting those, because I was thinking that I was paying $8 and it ended up being $27. So I need to make sure mentally that I ask if there's no price. We learned from our mistakes, right? So I got 4 cantaloupes. These were $1.99 each, and these celery sticks here were $1. So I got 5 of those celery sticks there. So yeah, that's what I got. It ended up being $81, but I bought a large hunk of fudge. So when we were, I was so disappointed. I went to treat myself to buy myself fudge when we were on vacation, and it wasn't peanut butter fudge. It was actually like, and I can make fudge. I should just make fudge, and I didn't. I've been trying not to eat bread products and gluten because I'm trying to heal my hands. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna treat myself with a little bit of fudge. So I was gonna buy fudge that was really fudge, because I bought fudge and it was like marshmallow. It was so gross. It was disgusting. It was just like, ugh. And it was expensive. It was like $10. So this was $9.99, but it really was fudge and it really tastes good. So I had a little sliver of it. It'll probably end up lasting me like over a week, just because I'm gonna sliver a little bit soft, unless I decide to share it with some of my older people. So I gotta find where that fudge is, because somebody might be hiding it somewhere. Anyway, so that is what I got. I'm just gonna take a few minutes. I'll take them, throw them in the freezer. I don't have much freezer space. If I did have freezer space, they had bananas for 25 cents a pound. I just don't have the freezer space, and I probably would have bought more blackberries, but I don't have the space. I need to take out a bone from the freezer. Gonna do some things with that. I don't know what I'm doing. I need to free up some freezer space. It seemed like last week that I had like so much freezer space. And then it disappeared because I went shopping. Anyhow, fridge space too. I hope you all have a blessed and wonderful night. And if you just check around to see if there's a discount fruits and vegetable store. I never even knew it was there. And I was just thankful that some random person in Aldi was like, hey, have you checked this out? And I'm like, no, I haven't, but thank you. And so, yeah, ask around. Do you guys have a discount grocery store by you? If so, write like the town that the grocery store is and drop it in and the name of it and drop it down in the comments so people can read through and be blessed if there's one by them as well. Hope you all have a blessed and wonderful day.